Turkey, a country with plenty of opportunities. You see, the upcoming election in Turkey for the presidency will undoubtedly witness the candidates striving to make the country better than it was yesterday. And that raises the question of whether Turkey is capable of becoming the next superpower in the next 10, 20, or even 100 years. Perhaps you have wondered what it takes for a country to attain the status of a superpower. Throughout history, the world has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous nations. Since the Roman Empire, superpowers have existed for anywhere between 70 years to 500 years. The United States has existed as a global superpower for around 70 years, so perhaps there are many years left. Or is there? Maybe it is time for the globe to shift its power towards the Middle East, and specifically Turkey. You see, since President Erdogan's election, Turkey has been striving to maintain its country's status and gain more power. From military improvements such as modernizing their military weapons to construction, where Erdogan built the second largest airport in the world. So the question remains, how do you define a superpower, and can Turkey fulfill the criteria of a global superpower? A superpower is a country that wields significant influence and power on a global scale. It's like being the heavyweight champion of the world, but in the realm of politics, economics, and military strength. Superpowers have the ability to shape international affairs and impact the lives of people around the globe. So, what are the characteristics that define a superpower? Let's break it down. The first criteria is economic strength. You see, superpowers have a robust and thriving economy. They are often at the forefront of innovation and technological advancements. Think of it as being financially fit and having the resources to invest in various sectors like technology, manufacturing, and infrastructure. The second criteria is military might. Superpowers possess a formidable military force. They have advanced weapons, well-trained soldiers, and the ability to project their power across borders if needed. With a strong military also comes more global influence, which is the third criteria. Superpowers have a significant impact on world affairs. They play a crucial role in shaping global policies, resolving conflicts, and promoting their own values and interests. It's like being the influencer who sets trends and leads the way. And last criteria is the cultural power. Superpowers often have a rich cultural heritage that spreads worldwide. Their music, movies, literature, and art captivate audiences and shape popular culture. What makes Turkey so great is its geographical position. Turkey's unique location gives it a competitive edge in the global arena. Situated at the crossroads between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, Turkey holds a strategic location that opens up a world of opportunities. It's like being at the center of a bustling marketplace, where trade and opportunities flow freely. Turkey becomes a hub for connecting different economies, attracting businesses from all over the world. They also have important waterways, such as the Bosporus and the Dardanelles. These waterways connect the Black Sea to the Mediterranean, allowing for efficient trade and maritime transportation. Over the past few decades, Turkey has experienced significant economic development, transforming into one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. Impressive, right? This growth has been fueled by various key industries that are driving the country's success. One of these key industries is tourism. Turkey's rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality attract millions of visitors each year. From exploring the ancient wonders of Ephesus to relaxing on the breathtaking beaches of the Mediterranean, Turkey offers a diverse range of experiences that captivate the hearts of tourists. But that's not all. Turkey is also making waves in the manufacturing sector. The country has become a manufacturing powerhouse, producing a wide range of goods, including textiles, automobiles, electronics, and more. Turkish manufacturers have gained recognition for their high-quality products, contributing to the country's economic growth and exports. Another sector that's driving Turkey's economy is information technology and innovation. The country has witnessed a surge in tech startups and entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in cities like Istanbul. From e-commerce platforms to innovative mobile applications, Turkey's tech scene is brimming with creativity and potential. Now, let's talk about the exciting future of Turkey's economy. The country's strong economic foundations, coupled with its youthful population and entrepreneurial spirit, present vast opportunities for further development and innovation. Turkey is investing heavily in research and development, aiming to foster innovation and technological advancements. Initiatives are underway to support startups and create an environment that nurtures creativity and innovation. This paves the way for young minds to unleash their potential and drive forward groundbreaking ideas. Another important thing that Turkey is trying to improve is its military capabilities. Turkey's military capabilities are nothing short of impressive. The country boasts a strong and well-equipped armed forces, consisting of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. But what makes Turkey's military stand out? Turkey has been investing in its defense sector, making notable advancements in military technology and equipment. The country has been developing and producing its own indigenous defense systems, including drones, missiles, and armored vehicles. These advancements demonstrate Turkey's commitment to self-reliance and its determination to strengthen its defense capabilities. President Erdogan has played a pivotal role in modernizing Turkey's armed forces. Under his leadership, significant initiatives have been launched to enhance the country's military capabilities. One of these initiatives is the Vision 2023 plan, which aims to modernize the armed forces and equip them with state-of-the-art technology. In recent years, Turkey has witnessed remarkable developments in its defense industry. The country has focused on increasing its domestic production of military equipment, reducing its dependency on foreign sources. This not only boosts Turkey's self-sufficiency but also contributes to its economy and technological advancement. President Erdogan's initiatives have also emphasized the importance of training and education for the military personnel. The government has prioritized the professional development of soldiers, investing in advanced training programs and educational institutions. This ensures that Turkey's armed forces are well prepared and equipped with the necessary skills to face modern-day challenges. Moreover, Turkey has actively participated in international peacekeeping missions and NATO operations, showcasing its commitment to global security. Through these engagements, Turkey has demonstrated its willingness to contribute to peace and stability on a global scale. When it comes to regional conflicts, Turkey has been involved in various situations, striving to bring about peaceful resolutions. One notable example is its role in the Syrian conflict. As a neighboring country to Syria, Turkey has been at the forefront of providing humanitarian aid, supporting refugees, and working towards a peaceful solution. Turkey's efforts extend beyond its borders. The country actively participates in peacekeeping missions, contributing to stability and security in conflict-affected regions. Turkish troops have been deployed to various regions, including the Balkans, Africa, and the Middle East, with the aim of maintaining peace and supporting post-conflict reconstruction. Now, let's turn our attention to Turkey's relations with neighboring countries and regional alliances. Turkey shares borders with several nations, and its diplomatic ties are crucial for regional cooperation and stability. Turkey's relations with its neighbors have evolved over time. While there may be occasional challenges and differences, Turkey has shown a commitment to maintaining constructive dialogue and fostering cooperation. Diplomatic efforts and mutual interests have helped Turkey build relationships based on mutual respect, economic partnerships, and cultural exchange. Moreover, Turkey actively participates in regional alliances, such as the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, and the Economic Cooperation Organization, ECO. These alliances promote cooperation, economic integration, and cultural exchange among member countries, reinforcing Turkey's role as an influential regional player. Turkey's engagement in regional affairs is driven by a desire for peace, stability, and shared prosperity. Through its diplomatic efforts, Turkey aims to foster understanding, resolve conflicts peacefully, and promote economic development in the region. Considering these aspects, Turkey exhibits several characteristics that align with the criteria for a superpower. Its unique geographical position, growing economy, major infrastructure projects, military advancements, engagement in regional affairs, and diplomatic relations showcase its potential to become a significant global player. However, it's important to note that achieving superpower status is a complex and multifaceted process that involves sustained efforts in various domains over an extended period. Turkey still faces challenges and obstacles that need to be addressed to solidify its position as a superpower. These challenges include geopolitical dynamics, economic resilience, internal political stability, technological advancements, and global competition. As Turkey continues on its path towards becoming a superpower, it will need to navigate these challenges and leverage its strengths effectively. Continued investments in infrastructure, education, research, and development, as well as fostering regional cooperation and stability, will be vital for Turkey to further its aspirations. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new, and we will see you next time.